Welcome to Money Chat, the place to get information on money, personal finance and budgeting. Net worth in my age, essential strategies for financial freedom. Money Chat wants everyone to be financially free. But how do you get there? It is possible to build your net worth at any age, and the strategies for doing so are essential for achieving financial freedom. With the right plan, you can make the most of your money, even if it's limited. Achieving financial freedom isn't just about saving money, it's about understanding how to use your money to create wealth. Investing, budgeting, and understanding the stock market are just some strategies that can help you build your net worth and reach financial freedom. With the right approach and dedication, anyone can learn how to make their net worth at any age. You don't have to be a financial expert to achieve financial freedom, you need to understand the right strategies and have a plan to get there. What is financial freedom? Financial freedom means having the ability to make choices based on your values, not on your financial situation. Very few people can say they are financially free. The average person has less than $100,000 saved, which might not even be enough to cover living expenses for 1 year. It's possible to live comfortably on less, but most people don't even have enough for retirement. Fortunately, there is always time to start building your net worth. And once you reach financial freedom, you'll never have to worry about money again. Financial freedom is a long-term goal, so starting as early as possible is essential. To reach financial freedom, you need to make a plan, track your progress and stay committed to the process. You may not see results for a few years, but it's essential to keep moving forward to reach your goals. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow and compound over time. With the right strategy, anyone can achieve financial freedom regardless of age. Benefits of financial freedom. There are many benefits associated with reaching financial freedom. First and foremost, you'll never have to worry about money again. That's something most people fear daily and something most people can't say about their finances. Beyond that, you'll be able to afford anything you want and help anyone in need. When you have enough saved, you won't have to limit your spending based on how much you have in your bank account. You'll also be able to use your money to impact the world, fund charities, and support causes you like. Finally, you'll be able to travel, start a business, or pursue your passions without worrying about how you'll pay the bills. Strategies for building net worth. You can use a few strategies to build your net worth and reach financial freedom. The most important is to budget. You can only achieve financial freedom with a budget. You must know where your money goes each month to cut unnecessary expenses and save more. You can also invest in stocks, bonds, or any other investment to help you reach financial freedom faster. And, as you get closer to retirement, you can also build a passive income stream. It will help you make the most of your money and gain financial freedom faster. 1. Budgeting. You can only build your net worth with a budget. You need to know how much money you're spending each month to make informed decisions about how to save more. You can use a financial tool, or you need a budget, to track your spending and find areas to cut so you can save more each month. It's essential to track your spending to know where your money is going. Then, you can make informed decisions about where to cut back to save more money. 2. Investing. Investing is a great way to build your net worth and reach financial freedom faster. Diversifying your investments is essential, so you put only some of your money into one stock. Then, if the stock drops, it won't impact your entire portfolio. You can invest in stocks, bonds, or any other type of investment. Generating a consistent income stream is essential as you get closer to retirement. 3. Understanding the stock market. The best way to reach financial freedom is to understand the stock market. Many books and websites are dedicated to financial education, but the best way to learn is by doing. You can open a trading account with a brokerage like E-Trade, explore online courses like the stock market for beginners, and read books like The Intelligent Investor. These resources will help you understand how the stock market works, what to look for in a good investment, and how to use the stock market to build your net worth faster. 4. Building passive income. As you get closer to retirement and want a more consistent income, you can start to build a passive income stream. This way, You can generate revenue from assets that continue to earn money even when you're not actively working. For example, you can build passive income from online businesses, rental properties, selling products, or any other source. Then, as you get closer to retirement, this income stream can help you reach financial freedom faster. Passive income is a great way to make money without putting in the hard work of a 9-to-5 job. Passive income is derived from investments, real estate, and other sources that allow you to receive money even when you're not actively working. With passive income, your investment can pay off with minimal effort. If you're looking for ways to make passive income, here are some ideas. 1. Invest in stocks or bonds. You can purchase stocks or bonds through an online broker and then collect the dividends or capital gains they generate. This type of passive income requires a bit more research up front but can be very rewarding in the long run. 2. Invest in real estate. Investing in real estate can be a great way to generate passive income, as you can rent out the property and collect rental income each month. It requires some upfront capital, but it's an excellent long-term investment with potential significant returns. 3. Starting an online business or blog can provide passive income if you can monetize it through advertising, sponsorships, and other methods. This passive income is more active than investing, but allows you to generate money without putting in too much effort. 4. Create digital products or courses. Digital products like ebooks, courses, or apps can also be an excellent way to generate passive income. Create digital products to be sold online, and you'll receive a cut of the profits without doing any ongoing work. These are just some of the ways that you can make passive income. With some research and effort, it's possible to find a suitable investment for you and start making money without putting in as much effort as a traditional job. As a result, passive income is one of the best ways to increase financial security and build long-term wealth. By leveraging passive income investments, individuals can have more control over their financial future and create an additional source of income. In addition, passive income investments allow people to generate a consistent income without putting in too much work. With some research and effort, anyone can find assets that will help them build long-term wealth while providing additional cash flow. Passive income is a great way to ensure financial stability and build wealth over time. The key to doing passive income work is investing appropriately. Researching potential investments and understanding how they will benefit your financial goals. By utilizing passive income investments, individuals can create an additional source of income that doesn't rely on their active participation, allowing them more flexibility with their time and money. Passive income investments require careful research up front but can be incredibly rewarding in the long run. Passive income investments are a great way to secure financial stability and build wealth over time. Overall, passive income is an effective way to secure your financial future while freeing valuable time to focus on other goals. First, research potential investments and understand how they will benefit your current situation. Then, you can create a stream of passive income that will ensure financial security for years to come. Passive income is an excellent way to make the most of your money without too much effort. With some research and dedication, anyone can start making passive income today. Building your financial freedom plan. Once you understand how to build your net worth, you need a financial freedom plan. A financial freedom plan outlines how much money you need, how long it will take to reach financial freedom, and what you need to do to get there. It would be best if you tracked your progress regularly to know how close you are to financial freedom. It will help you stay motivated and on track to reach your goals. You should also set financial freedom milestones to keep yourself motivated. It will help you stay focused on the path to financial freedom and achieve your goals even faster. Tips for achieving financial freedom. There are a few things you can do to achieve financial freedom faster. First and foremost, you need to start as early as possible. The younger you build your net worth, the quicker you'll achieve financial freedom. You must also diversify your investments and understand the stock market to reach financial independence faster. Finally, it would be best if you stayed committed and consistent with your savings plan to achieve financial freedom as soon as possible. How technology can help with achieving financial freedom. Technology has revolutionized the way we do just about everything. It includes managing your money and building your net worth. You can track your spending and investments with a financial management app. It will help you stay on track with your budget and reach financial freedom faster. You can also use technology to explore investment opportunities and visit information about the stock market. Again, it will help you get to financial freedom quicker and be more informed about the financial decisions you make each day. Resources for financial freedom. The best way to achieve financial freedom is to follow a financial plan and stay committed to the process. You can do this by tracking your spending and saving regularly. You can also take online investing courses, read books about the stock market, and learn from more experienced investors. With the right strategy and dedication, anyone can achieve financial freedom. It's always possible to build your net worth and reach financial freedom faster. If you dream of achieving financial security and building net worth, regardless of your age, Money Chat can help. Money Chat is an excellent tool for learning how to build passive income streams and increase net worth. From startup entrepreneurs to seasoned business owners, anyone can benefit from the tips and tricks Money Chat provides. Money Chat provides advice on effective money management strategies that work at any age. With their wealth of knowledge in building net worth through passive income streams, they guide everything from budgeting and saving to investing in real estate or stock markets. In addition to this comprehensive insight into net worth building, Money Chat also covers taxes, debt repayment plans, retirement planning options, and more. Money Chat's tips and tricks can help anyone build net worth at any age. With easy to understand language and actionable advice, Money Chat is an excellent resource for boosting net worth. Whether you're just starting out or already have a net worth built up, Money Chat has the knowledge and resources to help you reach your financial goals. So start building your net worth today with Money Chat. Hit the subscribe button below to get more information on money, personal finance, and budgeting.